Lovely. So you can just flick your head back here with the fan. Nice. Nice, lovely. And then when you're here, you can just snap and then have like a serious look at the camera, yeah? So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's all right. Nice. Lovely. Lovely. What we'll do, we can actually lose the fan a little bit so it's not in frame. Lovely. Hold on, bear with me. Nice. Lovely. Nice. And bring this leg into you a little bit. You can even raise it up if you want. Yeah, that's perfect. Nice, lovely. Nice. Lovely. Nice. Lovely. That's lovely. That's perfect. When you're standing here, the light is booming you perfectly. So when you lean away, it comes off you. It's not a problem, but just be conscious when you lean over, just make sure you come back here for me, because then the body's fully covered. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Nice. Nice. That's lovely. And see when you really pop the head back for me. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Let me just focus on you. That's perfect, lovely. And then relax into the other pose. Nice. Lovely.
I like these. Oh, that's nice.
Lovely. Ooh. Nice. And you can jazz up your poses all you want here. Lovely. All right, let me show you those. Let me angle that here.
I like that angle.
Perfect. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nice, lovely. Lovely. And relax. Very nice. Lovely. Oh, don't lose your teeth. And then look straight forward as well to the mirror. And relax, you know. Ooh.
Like it. Oh, okay. Not that.
I think we've got the range. Happy?
Yeah.
My God. Yeah, and you can turn around a little bit more towards me. The other way, perfect. And then here. And you can just drop your head down. Perfect. So that'll be the movement. Drop the head down and back up.